So today we're sanding all the hemlock pieces. Eastern red. Very dense, full of tannins, so it's naturally termite resistant wood. You can leave this outdoors for ages. It does not rot also. Not very easily, although it will eventually, but it takes much more water and weathering to actually disintegrate. So, being as busy with other things that I worked today as well, couldn't get everything done. I got these done. These ones still not finished, but I'll knock these out quickly tomorrow. And then the rest of those cookies outside need to be done when I have more equipment that don't burn everything. See the burn marks on these? Just hell fighting against it. So, yeah. One day at a time, I guess.